I think we're off again today. Let's get started. Can't remember where we were at yesterday. Okay, so I think we figured the bunny issue out. I thought we put a house in here. Yeah, I was pretty sure we'd already done this bit. Maybe I didn't save it. Oopsie. Yeah. So this went kind of like there, and we hit this button there. Oh, yeah, you could. Why would the nav mesh be there? Weird. Yeah. Just make sure it's not sticking. It is obviously one spot. So it's around about there. Somewhere. Yep, we removed all the stuff in the back. Nothing's floating. Yeah, that'll do. Doesn't have to be brilliant. Seems good enough. Yeah. Can't get through the door because this piece is static. We don't want that. That'll mean when we navigation, when we rebake it, we get a wee path through, so there is an opportunity for something to get through there. It's a squeeze, but let's see. Maybe some terrain modification. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Control S, saved. What's this thing? The tree stump must be blah blah blah. Okay, where's that bunny at? And oh, that's what I was gonna do. Now my brain caught up. I was bringing the player back in. Where is he? I don't know. There he is. Yeah. I believe we get an error. Get lots of errors. Oh, 2 audio listeners. Start with that one. Just remove this. Player. Done. Next error, invalid operation. Okay, these are input systems, all input systems. Okay. Let's see. Well, that loads. Here we go. All right. Scroll wheel. Well, I saw this bit before, and I believe I want to skip all of this. So let's find all references. So if we're on the ground, if avoid takeoff when. Okay, stop you running off and flying. Not a big deal because we're going to remove the flying probably. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Then we want to call that function that deals call function that deals with player orientation. Rotate the player. Okay. Set proper speed. What's What? Let's just remove these. Okay, keep that go. Maybe not get rid of at least the first error. Yep, next one is on the orbit cam. Get mouse input, mouse X. I want to deal with that then because I want that. It's player settings. Come on. I know I can get through here. There it is. Project. I don't think that's going to make any difference. Good. No. I think I need to change it to that. Let me have a look at which are the all new, but I didn't use. I did use the scroll. Pretty sure I used the scroll button in it. Let's have a gander. Okay. Scripts controller. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Nothing important. What? There we go. Where's item bar? I'm pretty sure item bar is what, there we go. See? Input get raw. Okay. What did I use? Yeah. Get access. Let's see. Nope, that's not what. That's not even what I want. My left side and right side of my brain not caught up yet. Too early in the morning. I'm trying to sneak this video in before I have to head out for some real world meetings. Nothing in this I'm thinking out in RDAF would help. What do I have? What I have is Google. So let's see. Rotate. Oh, come on. You in System Unity. Mm-hmm. Oh, I forgot about Cine Machine. When was this posted? A couple of years ago. I believe this is what we want. I've never done this, so I'm not ashamed of copying and pasting. Give it a go. We'll see what happens. And then say, yay, look how good it did. Alright, get mouse movement. Oh, we got horizontal, vertical, horizontal. We're not going to be using the joystick, so get rid of that. Let's have a look at this. Oh, you see, and I need these or something similar. See what we've got. Here we had horizontal aiming speed. Use that one. Inputs manager. Again, let's look at this. Don't think. Need the inputs manager. Okay, yeah. Okay. So we need to go to our input system. And it says rotation X, rotation Y on actions, and then action type. Thank you. So let's go R X delta mouse. Ooh, where's that? Nope. I'm thinking this should actually be part of this. We should add a binding. Is it binding? What is it? Binding. Yes. Excuse me. But that's a button type. No, it's got to be reaction type value. Mouse. Axis. I don't know. Any the value axis. Interact. That's it. Okay. X. It's got no bindings. I don't know. Okay, maybe I just looked silly. Duplicate. And obviously we've got to change that to delta y. Okay, let's save that. And then it's saying we need to put a couple of callbacks. Where's our input controller? There it is. Here. Keep things constant. Okay, I guess this is going to be a float. So float and float. Then we're going to send that over to here. In the third person. But this is not an this is not. Where does this live in the scene? This in here. Yeah. So yeah, what we'll do, because input control, I believe we can make that static as well. And then the mouse X, oops, and mouse Y can be public. Okay. I believe the input controller is static already. It's part of the game controller. There it is. Oh, we don't actually have it yet. So, interesting. This goes here. we also want the game controller. Let's put that up here. Come on. Oh, we can't because we've got errors in it. Okay. So we'll just make this. No. Just so we know where it's going. And we don't need it, but when we're reading the code later on, might help. Nah. She's gonna complain later, I'm sure. Okay. So now we should. Nope. I'll fix this. Where's the game? There it is. Whoops. Sorry, folks. There we go. Yeah, game controller is an instance. And here we want public. Void. No, what? On resume? No. Void. Yeah. Inputs. Sometimes Microsoft is autocomplete. Why? I should have this in there. Uh-oh. Oh, wait. Should be here anyway, so. There we go. And then we jump back over here. Our game controller. Why? Because the script cannot be found. Okay. There we go. And then we turn this to there. Second. Then over here, we just go game controller dot instance dot input, not instantiate. Instance dot input controller dot nonsense. Instead of doing this. No, we want this, but it's not here. Excuse me. This will go actually here instead of this. There we go. So that gives us our angle H and our angle V. All right, and we can get rid of the old one. Now, Unity should give us a break on some of these errors. Let's see. Yeah, we got less. We only got 5 left. Object reference. Okay. Okay, this is to do script ordering or something like that. Let's see. Yep, now we're Same one. That's 64. So it's basically saying it can't find this. Okay, which means player needs to be off. Let me start. So we go to game controller. We go void awake. Oh, hello. Player. No, we don't want to use that. We should have a reference to the player. So public. Or just game object. Game. No. Controller. Player controller. Then we drag our player into that. And then on awake, we go player controller dot game object set out to true. There we go. And that should fix that. Probably not the best way to do it, but it works. It worked in the past. Let's see. No, damn it. Damn. No, there's a different error. So yeah, it's working. Another input. What? Why? To use it down here. This is in my player controller. Oh no, this I didn't write this, someone else did. Well, what we can do is we can make this into this. And we just copy this out again. And we go return that. Yeah. Okay. We'll do the same here. Oh, excuse me, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, I only just made it to the mute button there. Wow. Sorry, I have a construction site across the road. And it's pretty dusty. My filtration system doesn't always work too good. Alright. Why is this bitching at me? Let's see when we're done. There we go. And then that wants to be Y. And we need to put return in there. Okay. Obviously, this is causing errors somewhere as well. Find in current document. Get button. So we need to change this. Press. What is that? Sprint. We need those. Let's just set this defaults at the moment. That should get rid of that error. but remove sprinting. Another null reference. Player controller. Okay. How can that be a null reference? Unless this, yeah, because of this, because of this. That tells me that on the player, the flight behavior is coming. Let's see. Okay. Nope. Same error. Okay. What is it doing? The player controller here. Local fixed update. So its own update system. Which means it could possibly be updating multiple times per frame. Yay. Okay, so this get H, we're just gonna change this to H. Oops. And this to B. And then no, wait, we're not done yet. And make it public. Although wait, we don't need to do that. We just leave that private. We just take this over there. So instead of this, we skip the behavior manager altogether. And not sure. Wait, is X and Y the wrong way around? H is X and vertical V is Y. No, they're right. Where else? Could it be? Nope. Yep, different error. What's it say? No reference. And again, coming from this and fixed update. So it goes on everything in behaviors. Easy. um, yeah. Jump management needs fixing anyway because it kills all forward speed when you jump. So let's we'll look at that later. Let's see what else we get rid of. And that should be mouse Y for status. Yeah. That wasn't the error. No, okay. Let's fix this one first. Aim button. Okay, that one will fix. You on left, on right. Okay, I think we need to add a new one. So let's see what interact. No, that bumper. Just duplicate this one and call this aim. And for this, I'm not sure which button we're using. Controller. I guess it could be left bumper, but I'm pretty sure we've already used that. A left button, a left trigger. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I grabbed the wrong controller. Yeah, it would seem that Unity is not listening to my controllers. There we go. All right. Could also make it control, left control. And finally, right mouse button. Press. Or we can just go. What did we use here? Press only, yeah. But I'm going to press and hold, so I'm going to just press on these. Simply set as a button. Note that the press interaction is only necessary when wanting to customize button press behavior. For default press behavior, simply set the action type to button and use the action without interactions. Let's just save that and look at the interactions. Use on interact performed. Okay. On aim. So whoops. Else if oops. Now here we want context dot performs started. I think we're gonna change the way this camera thing does its thing in behavior. Because here, this is it toggling on, toggling off. On the player controller, then we need just make sure it's not already there. Sorry, I'm just thinking here, folks. I'm gonna get this from here to here. But messing all of this up. Transferring is where's aim? I'm not seeing it anywhere. I'm gonna remove these as well. The references. Um, oh, sorry, unless you're wondering what I'm doing there. I'm looking for the aim functionality. Basically, in the game, when you right click, it zooms in over the player's shoulder. That could be actually part of the camera. Aim. Those, where's that field of view one? I do not know. Okay. Obviously, this is how we toggle them on, toggle them off. On player instance on aim. So we're gonna have to add that. Mhm. I think I never used one context on performed. Basically, click. And then on this one will be cancelled. Is it stop? Start time. Performed. Started. Ended. Completed. What the Hello, Google, you my old friend. Okay. Unity. Oh. You input system contacts. Yeah, close enough. Go back context. Yes. The newest version. Phase. Here we go. Started, performed, cancelled. Phase. So if it's any num. All right. So we get just. No. Let's just use started, performed, and cancelled. So performed, started, and cancelled. Um, what we can use the phase for, though, is we go ctx dot phase. That's what we do. Input action callback context. Ah. So input action phase. There we go. We'll call that input action. All right. Excuse me, it would seem I made a mistake. Well, not tell me that. Ah. Didn't. Oh, I made a mistake somewhere and I don't know where it was. uh You should just reuse the item, I think. We'll just stand it there for now. Okay. And we just send it there, and then we send it there. I know it looks redundant. Why not just send it every time? Because, yeah, we'll leave it like that. Let's just say we'll leave it like that. And that then will send us to here. Let's move this method out of the list and down here some. So our list up there still shows us what we need to do. Here we have a switch. We go switchy, which is basically just the same as this, but and we go IAP. There we go. And that's going to be a case of input phase dot. See, there are more. There's waiting. There are more input phases. I knew there were. Anyway, the first one is going to be started. And then we're going to have a cancel. And then performed. Okay. And then we'll obviously default. Just put a debug does warning invalid there we go. Okay, so that puts us over into the player controller. Yeah. So now, where was it actually doing that? No. Here. So in here we just have aiming equals true, and here aiming equals false. Okay. I think we need a true in here, and everything else is a false. Yeah. Obviously, we need to create aiming. It's right there. We'll make it public so we can see it in the edit. And of course, it's going to default. Okay. Let's see what happens. We get that far. No, we don't. So here then we go player controller dot instance dot aiming. Maybe. Yes. Okay. If the aim button is pressed and not, hey, let's just rename that. Call the aiming. Okay. I'm not currently aiming. Use the exclamation. We use false just so. Okay. And then true. Well, we could also just put a public here of float. Sorry. Aim equals false. Okay. Make it boolean, sorry. Oh my god. Okay. And then down here, performed. Else, if cancelled, we go aim equals just try that. Might be all we need. Okay, and then inputs it's game controller dot instance dot input controller dot aim. Okay. Wait a minute. This is redundant. Yeah. This is redundant. Okay. It's basically saying if the aim button is pressed and we're not currently aiming, then start aiming. Okay. Else, if we are currently aiming, stop aiming. If the button's not pressed. Yeah. Means you gotta press and hold it. Okay, let's see. Blah, 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 blah. We'll all see soon enough if it works. My bet's on no. Where we at? 27. here? Plane? No, object place. That's that one. Okay, this one. What's it want? Same thing, but with the jump. I don't think we have a jump button yet either. Okay. Let's do that then. So we've got interact, which was A. Left trigger is that. Use is E or B. X. Do we have an X? Oh, open inventory was X. Why? Just drop an item. Obviously, you think space bar would be jump. So we're going to remove that from there. Just going to call this one jump. Okay. And obviously it's not going to be left trigger. Because a right trigger should be used and fire. You won't be able to use while you're holding a gun. Maybe tool. No, we're not going to have guns, but Which one uses A right now? I think it's just interact. Why do we need to use and interact? Because we're going to interact when we aim. It's the same thing. Okay. So B is getting removed from there. This actually is just blah, 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 blah. You can see what I'm doing. Jump. Okay. So use interact. This has to go this. It's E. Yeah. And aim. Oh, that's but yeah. Jump on there. Why not? This would be A. No, B. There we go. B and space bar. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, just running through the whole process in my head. Yeah, let's go back over here. We renamed use to jump. So one interacts. on use. So this becomes now on jump. A instance. Nope. I'm just going to use. Okay. Yay. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're still at this game controller, player controller issue. I was pretty sure though that that would all fix it. Let's see. No, it's this. It's the damn. Let's go on fixed updates. Fixed updates. Where's the other one? I don't understand why we're not even moving. Come on. I don't understand why it needs to call it, though. Yeah, I've got to rewrite this whole player controller. It's not working for me. I can see why and how, but with the old input system, yes, the new one, it doesn't really work too well because the interactions, the way they are handled, is different. You know, this is checking every frame as opposed to using callbacks and waiting for someone to tell it what to do. They both work in their own way, but this method uses more resources. It uses because this has to execute every single frame, whereas this only executes when the user presses a button, releases a button, you know? Which admittedly is quite often in the game. But why? Yeah. Anyway, I'm not going to argue with myself. I've got to do it. No, it shouldn't be too difficult. Because I believe it's just literally this function, the update functions, and maybe these aim management, deal with, this is the same as this, but yeah, instead of using a whole new class to do it, all I need to do is change the field of view on the camera. I don't have free cam. It's there is the left and the right shoulder part, I guess, on the aiming. Yeah. Okay. I can do that, but not today. We've already got this. Let me see. Oh, nearly an hour and 20 minutes. That's quite a long one. I have an appointment in about half an hour. So, yeah, not much happening in today's video. Unfortunately, that seems to be the case most of the time. But as you see, we are progressing slowly. So let's make sure we save it all today. We close it all down nicely. We don't lose anything this time. All right. Now, you folks have a great day. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.